iQuanta came, iQuanta saw, and iQuanta conquered.
CAT 2023 was considered to be the toughest exam in the history of CAT exams. Yet, there were 299 plus percentilers from iQuanta.
How did that happen? How iQuanta became India's #1 coaching with record-breaking results. Dual pedagogy. At iQuanta, we use two-way learning methodology. Conceptual clarity through our live conceptual classes and using all these concepts in our application classes.
24/7 doubt solving, which laid the foundation of iQuanta, wherein the sir, along with faculty members and iQuanta's doubt solving team, are there to solve your queries, be it 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. and peer-to-peer learning, where we have developed a community जहाँ पे ना सिर्फ आपकी faculty members help करेंगे, but the other students, your fellow peers, as well as these school students जो कि already graduate हो चुके हैं, आपकी help के लिए always ready रहेंगे day in day out. iQuanta launched India's first AI-based mock test, iCAT, that reduces your efforts by 3x by using tools like Error Tracker and Goal Tracker, and also by simulating the real CAT test interface. This year, iQuanta has introduced the most updated and most relevant CAT reference books in the market. We have made sure that these books are along the lines of CAT 2023 and are in sync with the latest syllabus at exam time. Now, you don't have to practice from the 20 years old and outdated book. Apart from this, keeping increasing difficulty and unpredictability of CAT exam, iQuanta has curated a 7-step approach for every single topic so that you are well versed with the entire syllabus. First, go through the non-engineering conceptual videos, which are basically 6th to 10th level NCERT math syllabus.
Second, attend the mentor-driven live conceptual classes. Third, take the mentor-driven live application classes.
Fourth, test your conceptual understanding by accessing the topic-wise assignments on your dashboard.
Fifth, be a part of the mentor-driven practice session on the same topic. Sixth, you can practice 50 questions from IM ABC module or iQuanta CAT books.
And last but not the least, attend the live marathon on topics, which will consist of questions on exact CAT 2023 level.
All of these features sets iQuanta apart and is the reason behind having the highest number of 99 percentile from a single batch.
For those of you who are planning to start your CAT preparation right now, enrollments for iQuanta's CAT 24 new batch have been started.
If you are not preparing for CAT from iQuanta, you're not preparing for CAT at all.